Hey, what up, Street Dogs? Eric Kim. Alright, so the thought is basically that creativity in photography is for everybody and for all. So why is it that all these insecure artists of the past always talk down on photography? This is my general gist. The downside is most artists try to talk down on photography because they feel kind of bitter and salty that they had to go through all these years of agonizing whatever to paint, to draw, and to create. Oh. Yo, it's a party in here. Oh, thanks for painting, buddy.
What's up, man?
Yo, what up, dude? Oh, looks good. Yo, you get a haircut?
Yeah.
Yo, that's sexy.
It's just when we have to get back up in line. It's just basically, I mean, winterized. It's just getting everything running properly.
Right? So just realize that in art and everything in between, it looks like everyone's just trying to flex on each other, and know that ultimately as an artist, as a photographer, you choose, you dictate your powers, and you don't need to get nobody to talk down on you. So yeah, just realize that photography is the ultimate democratic form of artistic expression, and if Leonardo da Vinci was alive today, he would for sure use a camera.